Hmm? ये आलोक सर कूतले Good morning, sir. Just waiting for another 2-3 minutes. Let students join, then I'll take.
आज हमारा क्विज भी है सर।
हाँ
सर क्विज में सर थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है सर। हाँ सर थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है सर, टाइमिंग सर नहीं हो रहा।
But time
I'll talk. Let me take the class, then I'll talk after 1 hour. I'll talk about the quiz after the class, okay? After just 1 hour. So we have already discussed, if you remember, one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array. I didn't discuss string, which I'll discuss afterwards. So today we'll discuss a pointer variables, arithmetic on pointer variables. Then I'll discuss how to pass parameters by reference, and then different on pointers. So first, before I discuss a pointer variable, let me discuss about a dereferencing operators, which has a relation with a pointer variables, but do not interpret this as a pointer variables. I'm talking about an operator like addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. This is another operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions. This operator is a unary operators. And you all know unary operator means it would be operated on a single operand. And this operator uses a prefix notation. If my operand is, let us say, K, my operator is star, I cannot write down K star. I must write star of K. We use a prefix notation for this unary operators. And this unary operator is applicable only on address variables. What is the address variable? I'll come very soon. Not on address constant also. I'll come very soon. It comes with an address variable. So this dereferencing operator, do remember what I'm saying. Please unlearn what you know about a pointer variables when I teach this. Unlearn. Learn what I'm telling. Then find out which is comfortable to proceed. What I told or what you learned earlier. Don't mix it. So then the star operator is applied only to an address variable, not to an integer variable, not to a floating point variable, not to a character variable, not to any type of constants. We write star followed by an address. This bracket is star followed by an address. And this address can be of two types on which we apply star. This address can be of two types. One address is address of a single element and other is address of group of elements. I'll tell about this. So dereferencing operator star is applied on a address variable. That address variable can be address of a single element, could also be address of a group of elements. I'll explain it. If it happens to be address of a single element, if it happens to be address of a single element, we'll be getting the elements once we apply a star operator. And to explain this, if I say this is a memory location which has got an address, the name of the address is, let us say, AAA. Name of the address is AAA. If it is address of a single element and the element could be, let us say, 50. The element could be 50 in this memory location. This is the memory location whose contents is 50 and the address is AAA. The name of the address is AAA, which is holding a single element 50. If I write down star of AAA, I'll be getting the contents which is 50 over here. But the address AAA must be address of a single element. The element could be an integer, element could be a floating point data, element could be a character data, element could also be something else. But if it is an address of a single element, I'll get the elements. However, if I say I have a group of data elements, and the elements are, let's say, 50, 20, 33, like this, 45. And I write down again BBB. Now, BBB is address of not single element, group of element. This group can be 5 integer, 10 integer, 20 characters, 30 floating point numbers, but more than one. When I say group, then more than one. If the address BBB is the address of more than one element, group of elements, then when I put a star on that BBB, BBB, this will not give the contents. It will not give the contents of these locations. The contents are enormous, not a single one, will not give. This will only convert the address from one hierarchical level to the next hierarchical level. Let me tell what is a higher hierarchical address, what is a lower hierarchical address. Everyone knows this. Let me give a real life example, then I'll come to computers. Suppose if I ask Satyavrata Sahu right now, where from you are? Satyavrata, where from you are?
Sir, I am from
Bhubaneswar. If I ask Amarjit Ghosh, where from you are?
Sir, West Bengal.
Yes, very good, very good. Amarjit, where from West Bengal?
Yes, sir.
Where from West Bengal?
Sir, I am from Siliguri, West Bengal.
Siliguri. Where from Siliguri?
Sir, near Darjeeling.
Darjeeling. Where from Darjeeling?
Sir, near Sikkim.
No problem. No problem. No issue. Let me ask another person. Rohit Pandey. Are you listening to me, Rohit Pandey? Oh, कनेक्ट करके चला गया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. अनिरुद्ध सिंह.
Yes sir.
कौन, रोहित है क्या अनिरुद्ध, कौन है?
Yes sir, Rohit sir.
Rohit, where from are you?
Sir, Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh, very good. Rohit is from Chhattisgarh. Where from Chhattisgarh?
Sir, Bilaspur.
Very good, Bilaspur. Where from Bilaspur?
Sir, near SSL, Musandiyar.
Oh, you are from Coal India?
Yes sir.
Recently I visited, last month only, in the November I went
Yes,
to Coal India, Bilaspur. Okay, my brother is working there.
Yes sir.
Okay. Do you know me?
No sir. Sir, as a teacher I know.
Yes. I went there. Many first year students met me. Those who joined this year, they also met me. They
Yes, sir.
got to know I went there, they met me. So Bilaspur like this. So let me
Yes.
tell. The same question, let me say, Pandey, it's same question when after 2 years you will definitely be in USA, I expect. Whenever you will be in the USA, if somebody asks the same question, unlike me in Hindi, somebody asks you in English, will you tell Chhattisgarh or before that you will tell, no, I am from India. What you will tell me?
Sir, India. I will use India.
हाँ यू टेल इंडिया कोई अगर तुमको हिंदी में पूछ लेगा तुम इंडिया बोलोगे कि छत्तीसगढ़ बोलोगे
सर छत्तीसगढ़ बोलेंगे सर.
हाँ what I say basically converting address from one higher level to another lower level. So you started telling India first, agreed. So when I'm asking where from India, you must be expecting the person who is asking, he must also be from India, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ क्योंकि मैं जब खुद ही पूछ रहा हूँ इंडिया से कहाँ से हो इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ पॉसिबली आई नो अबाउट इंडिया एंड आई माइट बी बिलोंगिंग टू इंडिया डू यू एग्री विद दिस यस और नो
Yes. Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड छत्तीसगढ़ नाउ इफ आई आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन टू सौरभ क्या सौरभ था ना क्या सा होता है पहला का नाम हाँ क्या सा होता है साउथ या फ्रॉम व्हिच पार्ट ऑफ भुवनेश्वर
Sir, Odisha. I am from Odisha, Bhubaneswar.
उड़ीसा नेक्स्ट भुवनेश्वर कहाँ से हो भाई
Sir, Baniware.
बाणीबेर वेयर फ्रॉम बाणीबेर मतलब बाणीबेर यूनिवर्सिटी और
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Near the university.
नियर यूनिवर्सिटी वो भी कहाँ से हो बोलो
Sir, I'm backside of Satsang Vihar.
हाँ आई एम आल्सो बैक साइड ऑफ सत्संग बिहार वेयर फ्रॉम अरे
Sir,
सत्संग
income
के पीछे
tax
हम भी रहते हैं
colony.
मतलब मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ
Sir, income tax colony.
इनकम टैक्स से पास में तो हम भी रहते हैं वो भी कहाँ से
Sir, colony, sir. Income tax colony.
The question remains like this. I'll tell a story after this. So, India, Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur. So, basically, converting address from one higher level to next third level. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
somebody will ask me outside India, where from you are, will say India, then Odisha, then maybe Bhubaneswar, then maybe Patia maybe gully number maybe apartment number, then apartment floor number, then room number like this. These are the address conversion from one higher level to next lower levels. There's an address conversion. And in C programming, we'll see what type of address conversions are there. We'll see what type of address conversions are there over here. We'll see this. But remember only two things. Star is a depressing operator which can be applicable to an address. If it is applicable to something else, syntax error will be given. Address can be of two types, address of a single element, address of group of elements. If it is address of group of elements, applying a star will take out the element will be given. If the address is address of a group of elements, by applying a star, it converts address from one level to the next lower levels. And I'll show it with examples. Then the things will be very much clear. Ampersand is opposite operator to star. Opposite operator to stars. Star जैसे अंदर घुस के जाता है higher to lower and ampersand will go from lower to higher. कभी कभी होता है क्या ना कोई पूछ देगा भाई कहाँ से हो अगर कोई पूछ लगा कहाँ से हो रोहित पांडे को अरे ये तो भोजपुरी बोलता है बोल देंगे समस्तीपुर अरे समस्तीपुर क्या है समस्तीपुर इज इट कंट्री जैसे बोल रहे लो लेवल हायर लेवल नहीं समस्तीपुर कहाँ पे है नहीं बिहार पे है अब बिहार कहाँ पे है नहीं इंडिया में है so that's this address goes from lower level to higher level so there are two ways of conversion so star and ampersand cancels each other the meaning is very simple so by writing minus of let me say I'll write minus of minus 5 is it not same as 5
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Same.
so one star cancels one ampersand if I write down star of ampersand p is same as
P.
If I write star ampersand p, this will be also be.
P.
Yes, sir.
If I write star ampersand p, this will become
Star P.
star.
So star
One star
P.
cancels once ampersand. Remember this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the last line, do remember, ampersand name of the array always yields the starting address of the whole array. Ampersand name of the array always is the starting address of the whole array. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Starting
Yes,
address
sir.
of the
Whole array.
whole
Whole
array.
array.
Whole
With this understanding, let's proceed to understand this. Let me start. I didn't declare any pointer variable. Do not bring pointer into concept here. Now, I declared three variables, int, p, char, y, there's three variables. Every variable has a memory location. The memory location is written as ampersand name of the variable, ampersand ch, ampersand fl, ampersand p. P is basically the name of the variable which contains a value 8. Here we contains a value, ASCII value of capital Y. Here 12.56. Up to this is understood to you all. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Ampersand ch is address of a single element or multiple element.
Single element.
Very good. Ampersand p is also same. Ampersand fl is also same. All are agreed to me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
look at this.
Sir.
Look at
Yes,
this. Look at this. Look at this.
Yes, sir.
If ampersand ch is address of a single element, if I put a star, I'll get the element, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी अभी तुम लोग सब एग्री किए जब एग्री मतलब मैं जो बोल रहा हूं उसको ठीक से अगर सुन रहा हो इफ ampersand ch is address of a single element putting a star I'll get the contents of the elements I'll get this ampersand star of ampersand ch is nothing but ch, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Coming to the next one,
Yes,
coming to
sir.
the next one, coming to the next one, if you have not understood. I will not repeat these things. Remember it. Ampersand P is the address of a single element or group of elements.
Single
Single element.
Putting a star will get the contents, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I
Single
put a
element.
star, I'll get 8. And now tell me, ampersand star of ampersand P is nothing but a P. P I get A. Yes. or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same thing will also happen to the last numbers.
Yes, sir.
Now, with this, let me tell star of ampersand P is same as P, star of ampersand C is same as CH, and you can write also here, unnecessarily to avoid this multiple writing, I didn't write anything over here. Okay, P gives the contents 8, this, coming back to this. Int 8, 10, 5, 9. My declaration is correct, yes or no? Tell me. My one declaration is 8, 10, and values is correct or wrong?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct.
Be participative in the class. Be participative. Assume each integer in a machine takes 2 bytes memory location. Assume each integer takes how many bytes in a memory location?
2 bytes.
Very good. Very good. And the array starts from the memory location 5000 decimal address. Normally addresses are hexadecimal, but let me say decimal. The whole array starts from the memory location. Amarjit? 5000. अच्छा हमारे पास कितने इंटीजर हैं अब्बास how many integers I have
sir. 10.
10.
each integer takes how many bytes
2.
2 bytes.
so total array will take how many bytes
20.
20.
if it takes 20 bytes and I start from 5000 where my array will be ended 5020
5020.
5020.
यही तो गलती कर
5022.
नहीं भाई 20 लोकेशन 5000 स्लो काउंट करके
19.
खत्म होता है 19 से कुछ लोग काउंट कर लिए कुछ लोग इसी बीच काउंट कर लिए कुछ लोग इसी बीच काउंट कर लिए 19 सही है सो अगले लोकेशन कहां से शुरू होता है ये आरे का अगले लोकेशन कहां से शुरू होता है दैट आंसर इज करेक्ट 5020 एग्रीड और नॉट कॉमन
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा for 10 it took 20 bytes we start from 5000 next starts from 5020 had it been 20 data let's say in place of 10 had it been 20 so it would have taken 40 bytes
39th location.
yes and there are 39 next will be 5040 up to this is understood everyone yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have one more question. The first data element, 5, will start from which location?
5,000.
5000.
5,000.
It will take only 5,000 or two locations, 5,000 and 5,001?
Two locations.
Two locations.
2001.
5001.
5001. And the data element 9, index position 1, will start from 5000.
5002.
Very good. And this element 1, index position 2, will start from 5000.
4.
अच्छा, एक चीज मैं पूछता हूँ, इंडेक्स पोजीशन 5 जिसका है वो कहां से शुरू होगा? 5000। अच्छा, दोबारा बोलता हूँ, इंडेक्स 0 starts from 5000, index position 1 starts from 5002, index position 2 starts from 5004. ऐसा अगर चलता रहा
5008.
5008.
यही तो ज्यादा दिमाग लगाया तुम लोग, ज्यादा दिमाग लगा दो तो कभी कभी
5010.
हाँ, इंडेक्स 0 होता है, मैं बोल देता हूँ 5000 प्लस इंडेक्स इंटू 2 बाइट्स। सर इंडेक्स 1 होता है 5000 प्लस
5012.
यस, मैं आता हूँ ये बीट में इंडेक्स कर लिया, ठीक है, ये मैंने
Yes,
लिया
sir.
साइज। अगर जिसका इंडेक्स 5 होगा वो कहां से शुरू होगा? 5010।
5010.
वेरी गुड। अब तो लाइन पे आ गया।
12.
ऐसे 12 कहाँ एडिशन में गलत कर रहे हो कि
10 होगा।
गिन रहे हो? अच्छा, तुम
10
लोग
होगा।
गिन रहे हो कि फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर रहे हो? ये तो बोलो
सर
मेरे को।
फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर रहे हैं.
फॉर्मूला में क्या मुश्किल 12 क्यों बोल रहे हो तुम लोग? वाई?
संचारी बोल रहे.
हाँ ठीक है, संचारी।
नहीं सर, मैंने थोड़ा गलत.
संचारी समझ में आया तुमको?
हाँ, 10 ही होगा.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। अब बोलो तो इंडेक्स जिसका 8 कहाँ पे होगा?
सर
एड्रेस
5016.
16.
so nice, my student understood. अच्छा, मैं एक चीज पूछता हूँ, अगर ये इंटीजर 4 बाइट लेता, ये फॉर्मूला में इसको मैंने क्या करता?
4.
ठीक है, ये समझ में आया। अच्छा, अगर इसी बीच में पूछता जिसका इंडेक्स 7 है और 4 बाइट है, एड्रेस कहां से शुरू होता? 5000। सब कुछ पहले से ही पता है तुम लोगों को, मेरे लग रहा है। अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। अब देखते हैं, टेस्ट करते हैं तुम लोग का नॉलेज। इसका जवाब दो। Ampersand है, you write out on your copy. Don't disclose your answer. Amarjit, don't disclose your answer. Many will listen to you. Don't disclose. बहुत लोग सुन के लिख देंगे। ये अपने अपने कॉपी में लिखो अभी। All students should write on their copy first. Then whomsoever I will ask, he will disclose. I don't help Ampersand. Have you written? Yes or no? Tell. Nothing else. Abbas, Amarjit, have you written it? अरे कॉपी नहीं है आवाज का पास। और पीत, have you written it? Is it audible?
Yes sir.
इतने धीरे से बोले से सुनाई देता, जोर से पूछता हूँ लिखा कि नहीं, वो भी जवाब नहीं दे रहे हो, क्या बात है तुम?
सर इसका मतलब नहीं लिखे।
स्टार ऑफ ampersand have written? Tell yes or no?
Yes sir.
Then write down star of a. Don't tell me the value. You write. Then star of a plus 1. Then star of a plus 9. You all must write what you have understood till now. I told you earlier, elements of the array can be accessed either with bracket operator or using star operators. Bracket operator I already explained. Today I'll discuss how do I access elements of an array using star operators. Look at this. Have you written it? Correct or wrong? Yes or no? Tell me. Gravit Babar, have you written it? Arpit Kanungo, have you written it? कोई फायदा नहीं पूछ के तुम लोग को। Let me teach. देखो, this is the I will say because of this you are unable to complete in the test. Not responsive at all, you people. Question आ रहा है, बैठ जाते हो, वेट करते हो सोल्यूशन आने में। My question is, have you written it or not? Yes or no? Answer is yes or no?
Yes sir.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, आप उसके जवाब में बैठ जाते हो। यही है तुम्हारा कमजोरी, इसीलिए तुमको एग्जाम में कर नहीं पा रहे हो टाइमली। भाई सुनाई नहीं देता तो पूछ रहे, सर सुन नहीं पाते हैं, ठीक है। Have you written it? Now verify the answer what I will be writing. Be honest.
Yes, sir.
What you have written ampersand A? Anyone can tell. Anyone. Multiple.
5,000.
5,000.
Sir, 5,000.
Anyone else has written other than 5,000?
5,000. No, sir. 5,000.
Star of ampersand A?
5.
Array.
Anyone
Five.
else has written other than 5?
Whole array, sir.
Sir, I have written
You
whole
tell me the value. Don't tell whole value this value.
591720.
Okay. Then star A?
Adding address 5,000 to 5,000.
Star A, what you have written?
5, sir. Star A.
5.
5. Star A plus 1?
9.
9.
9.
Very good. Let's see how many answers you have given correctly, how many you have given wrong. Look at this. Ampersand A is address of the first element or address of the whole array?
Address of the whole array.
Address of the whole array.
Very good. And which is 5,000. Ampersand A is address of a single element or group of. If it is a group of elements, so ampersand A will write down 5,000. It is the starting address of the whole array. And ampersand A is address of the whole array. So applying a star on this, can I get the element or it will convert the address? That's my question.
Address. Sir, it will convert the
It will convert the address because it's not address of a single element. If it converts the address of an array consists of address element. So next label is the element label. So ampersand A is address of the whole array. Star of ampersand A is address of the first element. So address of the first element and ampersand star of A is nothing but A. Understood of these two? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So with this idea,
Sir, star ampersand A का
around. Ampersand is 5,000 address to everyone. Address of one-dimensional array. Ampersand A is address of one-dimensional array.
One.
One dimension. One dimension is a group of elements.
Yes, sir.
Applying a star on ampersand A. If I want to apply a star on ampersand A, can I get the element? No, because it is address of one-dimensional array. So when I apply a star on this, it will convert the address from one-dimensional address to zero-dimensional array. It will convert address from one dimension to zero-dimensional address, and zero dimension means the address of the first element. And star of ampersand is nothing but A. Rather than writing star of ampersand A, someone says ampersand A, someone says star of ampersand A. This is same as A. When I write A is now address of the first element. Is it understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If it is address of the first element, what is the address of the first element? Address of the whole array starts from 5,000. First element also starts from 5,000 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is also 5,000 because A is not an element, A is an address. But what the difference between A and star A? The values are same, but A speaks address of a single element. Ampersand A speaks address of
Multiple elements.
Multiple.
Very good, very correct answer. Of this, understood, tell me yes. or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A is address of a single element or group of element.
The single element.
That single element is Satyabhata is address of first element or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Applying a star, I'll get the first element. So star of A is 5.
5.
Very good. If A is address of the first element, address of the next element is A plus 1 or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Address of the next element is A plus 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is why if I look at this, a star is 5, same as A of 0. A plus 1 star. A plus 1 is address of next element. If I write down this A, I'll say that this address is A plus 1. A plus 1 is address of a single element. By putting a star, I'll get the element. That's 9. If this is A plus 1, this is A plus 2, what is this? Can you tell what is the address? A plus
4.
3.
4.
2, 3. Very good.
A for 4.
It is A plus 4 is address of single element or group of element.
The single element.
And if I put a star, I'll get the element inside this or not?
Yes, sir.
Two, one.
So this is same as A of 4 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do you see, without using bracket operator, I can access all elements of the array using star operators?
Yes, sir.
So have you understood the difference? Basically, we here ampersand and A both are 5,000, but this 5,000 address of the whole array, this 5,000 address of the
Single element.
First element.
first element, single element and first element.
Yes, sir.
And I have a question. If A is 5,000, do you think A plus 1 is 5,001?
5,002.
5,002, sir.
Very good, very good. Who told it? Who told it?
Because we have assumed it's 2 bytes, nice.
2 bytes,
Yes,
2 bytes.
2 bytes. Let me tell one thing. Let me tell. जो स्टूडेंट बोला मेरा घर छत्तीसगढ़ है, खड़ा होके पांडे. If I ask what next, वो क्या बोलेगा? बिलासपुर? क्या बोलेगा? बिहार.
Bihar.
Bihar.
And जो स्टूडेंट सत्यव्रत बोला standing at Bhubaneswar, this is Bhubaneswar. If I ask Satyavrat what next, you will tell Kata. Yes or no, Satyavrat?
Yes, sir.
Will you tell Satyavrat next is West Bengal?
No, sir.
Never. But the person who told again, this is West Bengal. What next? Sir, next is Odisha. Like this. Do you understand what is the meaning of next?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So when I say next, when I say A is address of first element, A plus 1 is address of next element. And that way, if I say ampersand A is address of first element, what is ampersand A plus 1?
Address of the second.
Address of the second
The
element.
second.
Next array. If any array is available, your address of this. Can you calculate and tell me ampersand A plus 1?
Yes, sir.
10 elements, each element
Yes,
is
sir.
2 bytes, 20. So this will be 5,000.
5,000.
Oh, very good. Do you understand? Addition 1 doesn't necessarily mean that just plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So 5,000 plus 1, is it necessarily 5,001?
No, sir.
No, sir. Had it been an integer, would have been a correct answer. Had it been an address, may not be a correct answer. Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Triranga Senapati, you joined late. Do you understand this or not?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Very good. So this is one thing. So I discussed about one-dimensional array. What about two-dimensional? Sir, आप तो one-dimensional बहुत कुछ समझा देते हैं. सर थोड़ा two-dimensional कुछ बताइए. Let me talk about dimensions. Look at this. I have a two-dimensional array. B of 4, 3. We have 4 rows, 3 columns. 4 rows, 3 columns. Total 12 element. Each element is an integer, takes 2 bytes, and assume that the whole array starts from the location 5,000. Understood up to this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सत्यव्रत, ऋषिकेश, सब लोग को समझ में आया है क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब तुम लोग को आंसर देना है. कॉपी में लिखते जाओ. What would be the value of ampersand B star of ampersand B star B star star B like this. ये कॉपी में थोड़ा लिखो. 1 मिनट पे समय दूंगा. Within 1 minute, you write down ampersand B. If you do not know, it may take 1 hour unable to write. If you know, you can write within 1 minute. Ampersand B star of ampersand B star B star star B like this. Have you completed writing? Sanchari Chaudhary, have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Now, so what I have written, verify with my answers. Ampersand B is address of a single element or a whole two-dimensional array.
Sir,
Whole two-dimensional array.
Its address supposed to be 5,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ampersand B is address of a two-dimensional array or one-dimensional array.
So two-dimensional array.
If it is the address of a two-dimensional array, when I apply a star, will it give the element or it converts the address to one-dimensional array?
Sir, convert into
One-dimensional array.
One-dimensional array is of 1 element or 3 elements?
3 elements. 3 elements.
Very good. बहुत कुछ बोल देते हो तुम लोग. कैसे पता नहीं, फिर बोलते हो एग्जाम में टाइम नहीं होता. गलत बोल रहे हो. कॉपी पे डिपेंड करता है. लोग काट दे. नहीं ये तो इतना सब बोलने के बाद कैसे होगा नहीं एग्जाम में. मैं थोड़ी विश्वास करूंगा. लुक एट दिस. Ampersand B is 5,000. address of starting address of two-dimensional array. Star of ampersand B can be also written as B, agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is also 5000, address of one-dimensional array.
Yes, sir.
Again, I can apply a star on B, where
Yes,
B is address of group of elements.
Yes, sir.
The star of B will also be 5000, which is the address of the first element of
First
the
element.
two-dimensional array. Up to this, is it understood? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, star of B is address of a single element or multiple element?
A single element.
A single element.
If I apply another weapon star on that, I'll get the element from the memory location or not?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what would be star
Yes,
B?
sir.
Anyone can tell?
Five.
Oh, very good. And this B21, see how do I apply star operator to bring it? Tell me, what is B? Address of the 0th row?
Yes,
Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is address of row number 2?
Sir,
हाँ, इसका एड्रेस, अरे थोड़ा बोलो, डर क्यों रहे हो, मार थोड़ी रहे हैं तुम। इसका एड्रेस
B plus one. B plus one.
हाँ, very good. What is address of this?
Sir, B plus two.
plus 1.
यहाँ तक समझ में आया B+2?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
If you have understood B+2 up to this, now you want to access this element, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And what address of B+2 is address of a single element of a row?
A row, sir.
Oh, very
Row.
good, very
Row.
nice. If I apply a star, it will be address of the first element of this row, agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what would be the address of this element?
Plus one. Plus
Oh,
one. Plus one.
very
Plus one,
good.
sir.
This is address of a single, just 1 minute. हाँ भाई को नमस्कार नमस्कार और टिके मारू पचारू 20 मिनट पर गला मैं क्लास रे अछि जस्ट ना टिके कहबे मु 20 मिनट भीतर पहुंची ठीक है एड्रेस ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट ना ये एलिमेंट को कैसे लाएंगे वीपन अप्लाई करके ना फटा के आ जाएगा
Yes, sir.
Third.
हाँ we will apply star somebody बोल चुका है is it understood tell me yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
oh if you have understood this
Excuse me,
we
sir.
agree, yes
Sir, could you please explain it once?
I'm explaining the next one try to understand
Yes, sir.
I want to bring out this element tell me what is address of this row Sanjay, you need to tell only. Address
Sir,
of this
B
is
plus
B.
one.
This is B plus one.
B plus three, sir.
B plus 3 plus 3.
B plus
B
three,
plus
sir.
3.
Is it understood? Everyone tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Further, I will not discuss. If this is B plus 3, if I apply star on this, will I get the element or it will convert the address?
We will get
We will get
We will
the
get the element.
element. Element.
यही तो मुश्किल है एलिमेंट नहीं मिलेगा भाई
Sir, row मिलेगा, sir. Row मिलेगा.
एक चीज बोलोगा you will get down at Bhubaneswar railway station and चिल्लाओगे नवीन पटनायक will he listen to you or you have to go to the room number of Naveen Patnaik then call Naveen Patnaik to listen to you
Sir, we have to go to him.
Room number of Naveen Patnaik.
ऐसे उड़ीसा में आके चिल्ला दोगे नवीन नवीन आ जाओ मेरा फ्रेंड दोस्त है
Sir, BJD वाला सोचेंगे.
नहीं वो बोलेगा दूर स्कूल में पढ़ रहे थे दोस्त नहीं कोई सुनने वाला कम टू द रूम नंबर
Yes, sir.
हॉस्टल के सामने जाके सत्य बता चिल्लाऊंगा नहीं सुनेगा आई हैव टू गो टू द रूम नंबर एंड नॉट देन इट विल कम आउट सो स्टार ऑफ B+1 इज एड्रेस ऑफ द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट एग्रीड और नॉट
Yes.
Yes, sir.
एंड how to get the address of the first element of this row I put a star over
Star
here
of star.
Star, sir. Star B.
यहाँ तो समझ में आया
Yes, sir.
अच्छा इसका एड्रेस कैसे लाएंगे ये अगर एड्रेस पता चल गया
B plus 2.
B plus 2
करके.
जल्दी बोल दे तो एड्रेस आ गया इसका एड्रेस लिख दिया मैंने इसका एड्रेस लिखा सही सबको समझ में आया
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ये एक एलिमेंट का एड्रेस इस एलिमेंट को कैसे लाएंगे चलाएंगे तीर चला देंगे।
Star use करके, sir.
समझ में आया कि नहीं आया बोलो
Yes, sir.
Yes.
so any element or every element of array can be accessed using star operator agreed or not
Agreed, sir.
agreed कैसे टू डायमेंशनल आरए में हम खेल रहे हैं अभी कोई चिंता नहीं है एक चीज समझ में पड़ गया address of the whole array I can go on converting reaching at the element level then put a star get the elements Unless and until I reach at the element, I will not get this. Okay. So now, so if you have understood this, यही है हमारा pointer, data types and variables. Okay. मैं
Yes,
10
sir.
मिनट का बाद जाऊंगा मीटिंग आधा घंटा के खत्म करके फिर आऊंगा देन आई विल आस्क यू टू मीट विल टॉक अगेन रिगार्डिंग क्विज एंड एनी डाउट्स ओके
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
क्योंकि क्या करूं मेरा काम ही ऐसे है पॉइंटर डाटा टाइप्स
D.
अब तक मैंने पॉइंटर पढ़ाया नहीं मैंने डी रेफरेंसिंग ऑपरेटर पढ़ा है नाउ इफ आई कम टू द पॉइंटर वेरिएबल अरे एमिति कोन आसीओ रखिथांतु एठी समस्त दियंतु मु टिके क्लास तोड़े नहीं पॉइंटर डाटा टाइप्स अच्छा एक काम करते हैं लेट मी
Yes, sir.
आस्क यू टू
Yes, sir.
go to the breakout room at 12:30 or 40 I'll come and again take some classes it will be better I think
Yes, sir.
just take a two-dimensional array try to print the address and element address will be printed by writing percentage u
Yes, sir.
percentage u data will be printed by writing percentage d which is integers okay do it and then when I come back I'll again start by I'll be giving a message in the chat box all will join I'll take the class again okay otherwise
sir.
course will not be
Yes, sir.
finished okay
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
now
Yes, sir.
yeah also ଆମ ରାଜଶ୍ରୀ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ନମସ୍କାର ସାର୍
ନମସ୍କାର ମୁଁ ତମକୁ କରିଦଉଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଇଏ
ହଁ ସାର୍
हो तमे हे ଆଉ କେହି ତମେ ଟିକେ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
now I have made host so please join then I'll come back and talk okay
Yes, sir.
students I have opened the breakout room now now you all can join to your respective rooms
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So